Love fashion? Then you definitely need a place to store all those accessories. A walk-in wardrobe makes mixing and matching easy since everything is actually visible. While most people think these require massive square footage, some walk-ins are more like shuffle-ins due to their petite size. But don't let a lack of space ruin the fantasy. Check out these 10 small walk-in layouts that actually work. And hey, bump that subscribe button if you haven't already. 10. Stay minimalist. When you're tight on space, simplicity is your best option. Toss in a full-length mirror, for instance, to trick the eye and open up the room. Stick to the essentials and declutter habitually to make it work effectively. This closet looks super crisp with that all-white finish, letting the colorful, neatly folded clothes really pop. Notice the hanging rail is only on one side? That is a pro move for a tiny walk-in. Hanging clothes on both sides would make the room feel like a cave, so this layout keeps it airy. Plus, it squeezes every inch out of the room with those clever angled shelves tucked into the corner. Number 9. Build behind a partition. Forget needing a massive renovation. Sometimes you just need to get creative with the bedroom space you already have. This design, for example, creates a room within a room by using 2 large wardrobes to sandwich a vanity area. If you are tight on square footage, just use a wardrobe on one side as a room divider and leave the opposite wall bare. It is a killer setup for a seasonal wardrobe. Just a heads up, lighting is do or die at a nook like this. Make sure you install a bright light in the center so you aren't fumbling around in the dark looking for your favorite outfit. 8. Rise to the ceiling. If your current closet is a small, chaotic disaster, take this as your sign to start a makeover. First, take those shelves all the way up to the ceiling. It makes the room feel taller and gives you way more storage. Next, install double hanging bars so you can pack in twice the amount of clothes. And hey, don't overlook the space on the back of the door. It's prime real estate for a shoe display. Just mount some rods right onto the door panel to create a rack. Finally, slap some wallpaper on any blank walls to give the space a little extra pop of style. Number 7. Complete yours with adjustable shelves. Sure, built-ins are classic, but have you considered using cubbies instead? Using boxes as shelves is a total game changer because they're affordable and fully adjustable. You can easily customize the vibe just by shuffling the layout or configuration of the boxes. Best of all, you can totally DIY this. Just grab some plywood and wood glue and build the boxes to whatever size fits your gear. Don't forget to hit them with some wood stain or fresh paint to give it that polished, high-end finish. Number 6. Cedar saves clothes. When planning a closet, nobody likes to think about the creepy crawlies, but you really should. You don't want bugs or funky smells ruining your wardrobe. The solution? Aromatic cedar. This stuff is a powerhouse. The scent naturally repels roaches, moths, and mildew without hurting the environment. You can build your entire shelving unit out of this aromatic wood, or panel the walls for a stylish look. And if doing the whole room feels like overkill, just lining one side works perfectly fine. Number 5. Optimize every side of your closet. Just because your floor plan is tight doesn't mean you have to settle for a boring single or double-sided layout. You can absolutely dominate all 3 walls. The secret is building a corner unit, like the one here, to finally break that annoying dead corner curse. Not only is this design innovative, but it's also a straight-up genius hack for you to adopt. Forget standard shelves. Throw in a spiral hanger to maximize that tricky corner. It holds way more clothes without eating up any extra room. Want to know what else you can do with those awkward spaces? I spill all the secrets in 20 smart DIY hidden storage ideas that keep clutter in check. It's already up on the channel. Don't miss it. Number 4. Be smart with your storage. Got a narrow room? No problem. You can still pack in a ton of style without the chaos. But you have to be smart about it. Stop folding your jeans on shelves. Hanging them side by side like this is a total game changer that frees up space and lets you squeeze in way more pairs. Feel free to grab some baskets for the small stuff like underwear if you don't have drawers handy. Finally, level up the vibe by hiding a mirror behind the door and throwing in a cute ottoman for that full boutique experience. Number 3, apply an accessible system. It doesn't matter how huge your wardrobe is. If you can't reach your stuff, it's useless. To keep everything accessible, opt for pull-out or pull-down systems that allow you to grab what you need without disrupting your organization. For instance, maximize that hard-to-reach upper space for hanging clothes with a pull-down rod. Go for a telescopic design, like this one, that adjusts to fit closets between 21.6 and 26 inches. With high-grade aluminum construction and a non-slip handle, a rod like this is tough enough to lift a 44-pound load with ease. Number 2. The L-shaped wardrobe. An L-shaped wardrobe is the ideal walk-in closet system for a narrow room. It makes the space feel airier than a full wraparound walk-in closet. Even so, you can utilize the empty wall to hang hooks for holding necklaces, hats, or scarves. If you want to level up the style, throw in some wallpaper or funky mirrors to make it pop. Honestly, this setup is perfect for guys with a smaller wardrobe or just for stashing your seasonal gear. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with...
Number 1. Indulge with design. The best perk of a small walk-in? You save cash on furniture, so you can totally splurge on the design. Your closet doesn't have to store every single sock you own. Sometimes it's just about showcasing your absolute favorites. So put those killer shoes or bags front and center behind gorgeous glass doors. Stash the ugly clutter in baskets, turn on some fancy lighting, and watch that tiny room feel instantly luxurious. Don't let a small footprint hold you back. Ultimately, your space is what you make of it. So take these ideas, break the rules, and build a walk-in that leaves everyone wishing they had your closet. Good luck!
Oh, and by the way, at the Sim Home channel, you'll discover a variety of lists that you won't find on other channels. For instance, we offer insights like 10 petite bedroom transformations, 10 dry garden improvement projects, and 10 fridge configuration for small kitchens, among many others. Each of these lists is compiled with extensive research and careful writing processes. The admin has also included relevant sources to enhance your learning journey. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to take full advantage of what Sim Home has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or your email list. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.